Hey y'all, so right here was on our way to get some food at a Dominican restaurant. The food was really good, but the customer service was not it. Like, I don't know if they was like targeting us because we was, colored people. But yeah, we was out in the front for a minute waiting to be greeted, to be seated. And then when we finally got seated, they took forever to bring the menu. Like, I don't know what was going on, but the food was good though. Can't sit outside, see? Can't sit right there, buddy. Right there, yeah.
Ella se quiere sentar afuera. Afuera hay.
Can't sit out there? Oh, thanks. Hey, well, so as you can see, we got to the restaurant. I'm finally about to get some rice and beans and chicken and all of that good stuff that I'm used to eating in New York. Finally about to eat that right now because that's what I want. What are you gonna get?
Same thing.
Oh, you want the same thing? Okay. I thought you were tired of eating it.
No, because
it's like, I'm Dominican. I'm tired of eating the same thing.
Taste the same
like your mom? Okay.
I cannot say the truth because the motor comes
with it. So it is currently 6:46. After we here, we're gonna go to the club tonight. So that's tomorrow. We're doing Sawana Island. That's a plan. So it's still early. We're gonna eat and go back to the Airbnb and literally switch Airbnbs. And yeah, because the Airbnb is in an area where it's so far out from like Uber drivers. Like when the Uber drivers get to that area, for some reason they don't have service. So it's like weird. I don't know. The heat is sweating on my edges, child. Heavy, just went on my edges like crazy. I'm excited to get some authentic Dominican food, okay? Like the resort that we went to a couple years ago, Rio Republica, in 2022. The food is not it. We had better Dominican food in New York, y'all. The food was not it.
wasting all that money.
Yo, never again. Which is why we chose to do an Airbnb this time around, to get the authentic local food. So I'm excited. Last night that fish, matter of fact, let me tell you about that fish. That fish last night, if I didn't say it, I probably did most of the time. That freaking fish last night was a 20 out of 10. That fish was so good. Like, I feel like I had to go all over DR just to get, all over Punta Cana just to get some good fish, like, or just some fish. Cause it's like, I'm like, how y'all don't have fish? It made no sense. And when we went to that area last night, the girl, she didn't ask us what we wanted. She just rushed us to her restaurant, which was a sushi restaurant. That's why we ended up having just some beers because we don't eat sushi. That's not what we wanted. So like we leaving now, and then this other girl came to us and was like, oh, they have Cuban food. I'm like, y'all got fish? She's like, no. She's like, they got fried fish. They got past salmon and fried whitening. But I'm like, no, I want a whole snapper fried. She's like, and she pointed us to the place that had it. I'm like, at least she's gonna hit her, because she pointed us to the place that had what I wanted. So yeah, I have my fish, thank God. We still into order. I'm gonna come back to y'all when the food comes. And plantains.
Smashed plantains?
Or fried, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, bravo para.
Gracias. You look real hungry. Gracias. You look real hungry, child. Look at all this. Oh yeah, I'm glad you get a chicken. I would have been tight. That's not chicken I want. I would have been tight if that's the chicken I'm glad I didn't get a chicken. You're right.
It looks good.
Yeah, but that's not what I wanted. We're gonna put some beef in here. I got oxtail, y'all, so I'm gonna try the oxtail. I had it before in New York though, but not here.
It tastes not salty.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know.
Salty on it?
No, Puerto Viejo? What? No, it's not salty. Oh yeah, it was salty. It was salty. Yeah, it definitely was salty. Ooh. Yeah, definitely was salty over there. So let's, hopefully this one is not. Let's try the oxtail. Okay. It's not salty.
You know what's funny?
Straight off the bone. Straight off,
You know what's funny?
straight off the bone.
It tastes just like my mom. Just like my mom.
Yeah? Okay. Alright, oxtail. You want to taste the oxtail? Let me take the chicken. Want to taste the oxtail?
Chicken is good.
Here.
Onion?
Yeah. Thank you. I would give the oxtail. I'm gonna give the oxtail a 9 out of 10. It's actually not salty. Because the one I had back in New York was definitely too salty. Got a little pot of plantains, plantanos.
What time is it?
Nice drink right here.
Let's see this time.
Ooh, a nice sangria. This is a pink sangria. It got strawberries in there. That's good though. Cheers, y'all. You know I'm always sharing my drink with y'all. You know I'm not mean. I'm always sharing my drink with y'all. Cheers. Y'all, I'm full. Bessie was about to do a dine and dash in the yard. She was like, "You ready?" I'm like, "Girl, we ain't paid yet." That's how you feeling? Huh? That's how you feeling?
Taking too long.
No, they are taking too long. But it took mad long to take our order.
I thought we were paid.
Like, oh child, but I'm ready to go. I'm stuffed. I definitely finished all the oxtail. Sure did. Definitely did. And the drink is, that's how the drink looking. But we're ready to go. That would be fun if we did dine and dash though. But we're not about that life. We don't do that. We have to pay and get out of here. I'm tired. I think I'm getting itis. But the food was good though. I'll rate the food a 9 out of 10. Everything that I had, 9 out of 10. But the customer service, I give it a 7 out of 10. But it takes too long to take the order and come get the bill. But I'm ready to go. I'm tired. That's a bill? This is how they bring the bill into this little mailbox thingy. That's cool, I guess. Delia.